Oops. Yeah. Hello everybody, this is channel Always Wheels. My name is Vasil, and today I would like to speak about our childhood when we were young and about our dreams. So one of my dreams was to have a remote control car, but my parents couldn't afford it. And I could see it just in American movies in the 90s, 80s. It was so nice. I was dreaming about a remote control car, and I was thinking to buy one that is not more expensive than 100 pounds, but at the same time being really nice with suspension and rubber wheels. So I found one on eBay site. This one. It's BEZGAR company. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but I paid 86 pounds and I've got a really fast car, 35 kilometers per hour. We have metal screws here, we have rubber wheels, we have water resistance, and we have oil shock absorbs. So let's see on the box. I want to show you in the box. So it's like 1 to 12, the size of the track. We have ball bearings here and splash waterproof electronics. It's really nice one. I use it even in the water, and it's 14 plus ages. So it's not really for young kids because it's really fast one. It's really fast one. About the remote control. So when we want to accelerate, just push it, and when we want to stop it and reverse, just on the side. We have steering control settings and speed settings, and of course that wheel control when we try to take left, right side of the track. Yeah, it works on 2.4 gigahertz, so I don't know, maybe 20-30 meters distance it will work. Yeah. So as well we have the book, a screwdriver here small, and a bag, I think, to keep the second battery, and I don't know anything else. So let's do the test of this small baby.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah. Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
I need time to heal, the pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and feel. I'm just lost to feel, I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Hey, we finished. Come on, so much fun. My shoes, yeah, they're wet. My socks are wet. But we've got a lot of fun with my friend running. I don't know, everywhere after the rain, everywhere it's wet. The grass, the ground, come on. But so much fun. It's worth its money. It's worth its money. I really can recommend. It's BEZGAR, I think, the name, but maybe I don't pronounce it correctly. I've bought it on Amazon. It's worth its 86 pound, each pound. And we tested it in the water, in the grass, deep grass, on the asphalt, everywhere. And we just ran out of our battery. Now it's dead. Yeah, we have to charge it. It's really nice. And the battery really it's good here. It's enough for maybe 40 minutes, about 1 hour, 40 minutes, and really hard play. Unbelievable. So, I wish you all the best. Just do your best to achieve your goals again, and try to get fun even with toys. Yeah, we men are always kids, I think, in my opinion. Yeah. Good luck for everyone and see you later. Bye.
Yeah, I just wanna be great.